Hey guys, half finished stainless steel parts. This is neon sign acrylic backboard cutting work. In this video, let me show you a few pieces of our finished product.
Wow, love at first sight. This infinite neon light box comes with an eye-catching purple paint finish. To make the hanging installation safer and more stable, we designed these two parallel hanging holes. This is a read from Pled. We are a direct factory and we support full customization. If you're looking for a top quality double-sided light box, this one is made for you. It comes with a dedicated electroplate brushed finish. The brushed lines are clear and neat. We have carefully polished all the corners so they are completely flat and silky smooth. The seam between the cover and the side frame is perfectly even like this, showing real attention to details. The side mounting bracket is strong and secure and reliable, so you never have to worry about the stability. Plus, it looks great and matches the light box perfectly. Thanks to double-sided lighting and sharp UV printing, your graphics will shine brightly and look fantastic from every angle. I'm Reed, the co-founder of Pled. If you're looking for a high-quality signage supplier, I am confident that we would be the right one for you. Hey, a customer said that he wants a mural plus neon sign and it has to be movable. He asked if we could do that at an affordable price. The answer is yes. This is the final solution. Mirror backboard, RGB neon, and stainless steel stand. And the customer is super happy with this. The stand is separated into 3 parts for convenient shipping. Installation is also easy at site with screws. So the finished product is both a movable mirror and a mood-boosting neon sign. This is Reed from Pled. Send us inquiries for free solutions. Hey, take a look at these cool color cards. Every color is made into a tiny light box, super special. The color names are cut out and made and light up in the exact color. The Chinese characters is optional and could be removed. So if you are into this style, just reach out to us, Pled. Hey guys, this is what we just made, a mini rechargeable light box. It's made of 304 stainless steel with finely polished edges and corners. On the back, there's one button control plus the charging port. The front acrylic panel supports UV printing for your logo or any other designs. So if you are interested in this product, just feel free to contact us. Hey guys, a lot of our customers wonder the difference between a regular RGB neon sign and addressable pixel RGB neon sign. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between these two. A regular RGB neon sign changes color as a whole, like this one. You could speed up, but the whole sign is in the same color. An addressable pixel RGB neon sign supports programming. It has the same regular RGB neon sign changing effects, like this one, and also have chasing and flowing effects. There are over 40 different pre-programmed effects built into this controller. If these basic effects still don't satisfy you, we can add scaling and other more complex effects for just a few $dozen more for a custom controller. So that's the main difference between a regular RGB neon sign and an addressable pixel RGB neon sign.